this mean that Rahul Gandhi could immediately be disqualified? That definitely is the argument of the BJP. To understand this legally, we now have Rajya Sabha MP and top legal voice Mahesh Jethmanali joining us. Thank you for speaking to us, sir. The Congress has said that the defamation verdict on the part of the Surat court against Rahul Gandhi is erroneous and weak in law. What would you say?
Well, I mean, the Congress response is bound to be what you just said it was, because, I mean, they have no other choice but to defend Rahul Gandhi, and the only way they can do it is by saying this was an erroneous judgment. But ultimately, whether the judgment is erroneous or not is not for the Congress party to decide, it's for the court. So let them file their appeal, let them be heard, and let the court, the appellate court, render its appellate decision. And then we'll see whether the Congress is justified in making these premature statements.
Now, you're a very seasoned lawyer. Let me quote to you what another very seasoned lawyer, Dr. Abhishek Manu Singhvi, has said. He said that a specific allegation in a defamation case, the textbook definition is that a specific allegation needs to be made about a specific individual. A generic comment of the kind that Mr. Rahul Gandhi made of all Modis like Nirav Modi, Lalit Modi, Mr. Narendra Modi, it does not qualify as defamation. How would you respond to that?
Well, let me say, let me put it this way. That's a very specious argument. But we're going into merits, and I want to be very limited because one has to be fair to somebody who's been convicted, namely Rahul Gandhi in this case. But since Dr. Singhvi is putting his defense out there, let me just tell you, right, that if you say that everybody from X caste is a thief, right? Any member of that caste has a right to file for defamation. It doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be a named individual, right? Even somebody, a member of a particular class that's defamed, raises a cause of action for defamation. So also here, every person that belongs to the class of people with the surname Modi who has been defamed has a right to file an action.
So what now are the immediate next steps for Rahul Gandhi? What could be done? Give us a legal perspective. Is he under threat of immediate disqualification as Member of Parliament?
Well, the law as laid down by the Supreme Court in 2013 is that once you're convicted and the sentence is anything more is 2 years or upwards, not less than 2 years are the exact words, then you stand immediately disqualified. So unless you can, it gets revived. This disqualification can be stayed in the interim if you get relief from the appellate court in the form of a stay of conviction, right? So as per the Supreme Court judgment, you have to get not just a suspension of the sentence, but you need a suspension of the conviction for your disqualification to be set aside temporarily till the case is disposed of.